Okay, I wanted to do a follow-up on the WK2 Grand Cherokee front and rear drive shaft video that I did yesterday. Um, this is actually a very easy job. I've kind of been taking my time with it, but I would say maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. I removed the exhaust right here, just above the catalytic converter. There was 4 spring-loaded bolts, and then there's 2 supports on either side of the catalytic converter. Just unbolted those, and I kind of just swung. You can see the tailpipe still attached in the back. I took it out of the rubber grommet on the back and just kind of moved it out of the way, and that's worked out really well. Other than that, the 2 heat shields that were on top of the catalytic converter protecting the drive shaft, took those off. That was super quick, maybe like 4 or 6 bolts. And then well, I had a lot of problems getting the ends of the old drive shaft on the front drive shaft out of the flanges on the transfer case. This one I had no issues at all. Just kind of just tapping and tap, and then popped right out with a hammer and a screwdriver. And this one's in place, and we're good to go. Gonna get this tightened back up, and I should be back on the road. Highly recommend you do this job yourself if you have mechanical ability, because it did not take long. I think I saved myself a bunch of money. Good luck.